Artsy friends! This is Joycee, the creator behind Artsy Joycee. In today's video, I will make a personalized card using my Cricut Joy. In Cricut Design space, let me type in "thank you" to filter our search. This is the design I would like to use for today's project. Now, let me select the size 4.25 by 5.5 inches for the card size. And after that, we can start to make it. Let me introduce the Cricut Joy card mat. This mat is uniquely designed with a divider to protect the back of the folded card while cutting the design on the front. After the cut is complete, let me peel away the mat from the card. Next, let's tuck the insert into the corner notches of the card. And now, let me present our finished project. If you like more Cricut tutorials, please like and subscribe. See you on the next one.